Hi, my name is Hari Prasad. I live in Corona with my wife and two kids. We bought this house 7 years ago, brand new. It came with a carpet. No matter how much we cleaned it, we were not able to remove the dirt, and so we decided to replace that with the flooring. We found iGreen online. My wife did all the research. She found the company and they came over. They sent a project manager to do the initial assessment. Then very next day they started the work and we were very satisfied with what they did with the flooring. Job was done in a matter of in less than a week actually. They took about 3 days to finish the job, and we were very satisfied with what they've done. I would definitely recommend iGreen to anybody. They are very good customer service, and they provided the best service for us. They did very professional work with the flooring. Yeah, I thank iGreen for the wonderful flooring that they provided us.